Do you ever have that moment where you have a really good idea and then 5 minutes later you completely forget it and you're so angry that you didn't take a note of it? This happens to me so often, and it's always the most frustrating thing ever when I know that idea was good. I know there was an idea there, but I just can't remember what it is. And this definitely applies to a lot of the things I'm working on, especially with the YouTube channel and trying to remember content ideas. So what I've done is I've created a second brain in Claude, and it basically integrates with Wispr Flow. So I can just dictate to my phone into Claude, and then it directs the idea into the right area in my Notion database. It's pretty easy to set up, and I think this is a really simple thing that you can do for so many different use cases. So let me show you in this video how to do it so that you never lose an idea again. For those of you new to the channel, my name is Cian and I'm the AI Productivity Coach. And I've taught thousands of people how to improve their lives and their work using AI. So if that sounds like you, please make sure to subscribe and join me on this journey. But for now, let's jump into my setup for my Claude second brain. Okay, so basically what I did is I created a Claude project. So I have several projects here for different things that I'm working on. If you've never used Claude projects, I actually did a video explaining how to use them and set them up, and you can check them out using the link in the top right-hand corner right now. For now, I'm just going to jump into my second brain project where I've set this up. So within the project, it's fairly simple. I basically set instructions. And so the instructions are along the lines of your Cian's second brain assistant. Your job is to take raw dictated notes via Wispr Flow and route them into the correct Notion database cleanly and quickly. And so I've basically given context on who I am, what I'm doing, and then pretty clear instructions on where I want content ideas to go. So for just a bit of flavor of some of the things I'm working on, I create videos, I have a newsletter, I do social media posts, I do LinkedIn posts. And sometimes I have ideas as I'm walking or listening to a podcast or something like that. And so basically, I don't want to lose that idea. And usually what I do is I use my phone as that's the easiest one to dictate in. So you can see here, I'm jumping into the project. Basically, I just set up a new chat. And so for all these things, I basically want them to be in the right area in my Notion database. So it will tell it where to put the idea depending on what I say. So if I say something like, please add this as a long form YouTube video idea, or please add this as a LinkedIn post idea, it knows which database to put it in my Notion. And one thing to note is that the reason this is possible is because I have a Notion connector. What are connectors, you might ask? Well, I also have a video on that runs through and explains what they are and how they can help you. Again, you can check them out using the link in the top right-hand corner right now, or using the link in the description. And so this is Notion. I mean, there's loads of other databases that you could use depending on your workflow, but basically you need to give it permissions where it can create pages or write and delete on certain things. So with connectors, you can basically get block it approval from doing some things. You can give it limited access where it needs approval every time, or you can give it always access. So in this case, I have allow, so I'll need to allow it when I do it. But very simply, you can also actually just always allow permissions. Just basically whatever you're comfortable with, you can choose whichever setting makes sense for you. So you can dictate via Wispr Flow into your Claude project. The Claude project is set up in a way where its instructions will activate the connector to Notion and ensure that the right page is created in that database. And basically, you'll then have a page and a record of that. So I'll just quickly test it out now. So here I am in the app for my mobile. Similarly, you can do this on desktop in the project. I'm in the second brain project. So I'm just going to dictate. I have a content idea for creating a Claude second brain using a Claude project, Wispr Flow for dictation, and the Notion connector in Claude. Could you add this as a content idea in my long form content pipeline so that I can save it for later? Now I'm using the Android version of Wispr Flow, but it might look slightly different on Apple iPhone. And then with that, you can just hit send. And you can see here, it's saved to a long form content pipeline. It's put in the title, created notes, and I've actually blurred it here, but you can see it's given me the link to the page itself. So when I open it, it's right there in my Claude database, and it even has the notes here on what I just dictated. So that has now saved the idea. I'm not going to lose that idea because it's in my Notion database. Really easy to do, and that setup didn't take that long. And you can see it's here on the web version 2. Very simple to do. Now, obviously, my business is very related to content, but similarly, you could be in any business or even in your work. You have an idea or you're chatting to someone, you don't want to lose that idea. So I feel like this is a really simple setup for you to never lose those ideas. I think there are potentially other ways you could go about it, like for example, using Claude skills. I have a video on that as well if you're interested, which you can check out here. But for me, I chose a project because I just want to keep all these scrambled ideas in one place so they don't interfere with all the rest of the work and, mess up my memory or do other things like that. The tools here that I'm using beside it, like Wispr Flow and Notion, they're not necessarily the point. You can swap them out with other tools that Claude has connectors to or that you can use with Claude. Anyway, I just wanted to show that as I thought it's a pretty helpful workflow for me, and it's really helped me just capture ideas and not lose them. So I feel like sharing these workflows are really helpful to people to just give them ideas on what might work for them in their work. And hopefully they can build and expand on these ideas. I'd also love to know what else you want to learn about. I'm going to leave a link to a short form that just takes a few minutes, which would be really helpful if you could fill it out and let me know what's top of mind for you and what would actually help for me to teach you. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me grow and continue delivering this kind of content. I also have a free weekly AI productivity newsletter, and you can subscribe to it using the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.